In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Canva project like a pro and manage multiple pages efficiently. It's part of an essential skill set for anyone working on complex designs or multi-page projects. By the end of this guide, you'll be adept at organizing and selecting pages within your Canva presentations without breaking a sweat. To kick things off, let's first make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your project open. If this is your first time using Canva, just head over to Canva's website and sign in with your account details. Once you've done that and you're in your dashboard, locate the project you wish to work on and click to open it. If your project is already open, great, you're one step ahead. Now that you've got your project open, let's get down to business with selecting multiple pages. This is particularly useful if you want to move, copy, or edit several pages at once, saving you precious time and effort. To do this, you'll need to switch to the grid view, which is a feature Canva provides to make page management simpler. Look for the grid view option at the bottom right corner of your workspace. It's designed to give you an overview of all the pages in your project at a glance. Click on it and your project layout will transform into an easy-to-view grid. Once you're in the grid view, selecting multiple pages becomes a breeze. Simply hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding it down, click on each page that you want to select. You'll notice each selected page becomes highlighted, indicating that your selection is successful. This feature comes in handy when you need to make batch edits like rearranging or applying the same design element across several pages. It's a quick and efficient way to handle multiple elements in your project. And just like that, you're done with selecting multiple pages in Canva. Navigating through projects and making selections has never been easier, and you now have added a practical skill to your Canva toolkit. The ability to manage multiple pages is truly a game changer, especially in extensive projects or when collaborating with the team. Having these organizational skills will help streamline your workflow and enhance productivity in your design process. If you follow these steps, you should be able to handle any multi-page project with confidence and ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment further with Canva's array of features, which can elevate your projects to the next level. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy designing!